Well, here's a look at Seminole County, Florida, where residents are cleaning up after a tornado hit that area.
Meteorologists say winds within the system hit up to 120 miles per hour. You can see the aftermath here. All this debris just sprawled across that community. Residents tell us all they could do was duck and cover.
I cannot exaggerate. I mean, like everything happened so fast. The flower pot, just came from the door and hit my back. I mean, like literally, I felt everything. I was just saying, like, try to protect my wife. That's all I did.
Well, those high winds from the tornado ripped off roofs and tore up trees, just destroyed homes altogether. And those homes that are still standing, though, are severely damaged.